skilled hands extract the precious silver ore, strike by strike, just as they did 2,000 years ago.
Through narrow passages, the raw silver ore makes its first journey toward transformation.
Only the richest silver ore is chosen, each piece inspected by experienced eyes. The precious cargo begins its descent, carried by sure-footed guides along ancient trade routes. Down from the mountains, the silver ore travels toward the skilled craftsmen who will unlock its value. In the smelting district, fire and skill await to purify the silver into its purest form. Each piece of ore is prepared for the ancient alchemy of fire and transformation.
In furnaces reaching nearly 2,000 degrees, silver ore surrenders a pure metal heart. The master's trained eye knows precisely when the silver reaches perfect molten purity. Pure silver flows into ingot molds, the first step toward becoming the currency that will cross empires. Cooled and freed from their molds, these silver ingots are ready for their journey to the mint. Every ingot is weighed and recorded, ensuring exact value before the journey to the royal mint. Under armed guard, the silver embarks on its journey to the great city mint, where coins are born.
Along ancient trade routes, the silver crosses valleys and hills toward the coastal capital.
Even silver must pause for the heat of day, but watchful eyes never rest. Through groves where liquid gold is harvested, solid silver continues its destined path.
At the city gates, every cart is inspected, but royal silver receives swift passage. Through the bustling heart of commerce, the silver finds its way to the empire's beating financial center. The silver passes final inspection before entering the sacred halls where currency is created. Inside the mint, a symphony of precision begins, where each silver ingot will birth dozens of perfect coins.
As dawn breaks over the ancient city, the royal Tetradrachm mint awakens to another day of crafting history.
Only authorized craftsmen pass these gates, each sworn to maintain the integrity of the empire's currency. Each craftsman knows his role in the precise choreography that transforms silver into standardized coins.
The smelting house stands apart, where controlled fire reduces ingots to measured blanks.
Behind bronze and stone, the finished tetradrachms await distribution under perpetual guard. Preparation and caution precede every shift, for the work ahead demands respect for fire and metal.
Within these coordinated halls, ancient technology and human skill unite to create the Tetradrachm, the dollar of the ancient world.
Into fire reaching 1200 degrees, the silver begins its journey from solid certainty to molten possibility.
Expert eyes read the fire's language, timing the precise moment when silver surrenders its solid form. Molten silver flows like liquid fire, ancient metal reduced to its most elemental, transformative state. Flux draws forth impurities like ancient magic, separating pure silver from unworthy elements through fire and chemistry. Layer by layer, imperfection is removed until only pure silver remains, worthy of bearing the emperor's image. Molten silver finds its form, flowing into precise circles that will soon bear the weight of empire. As fire's grip releases, silver solidifies into blanks, each one a future tetradrachm taking its first solid form. Freed from their molds, rough blanks reveal their potential, each one measured against exacting standards. Every blank is counted twice and recorded thrice, the mint's integrity built on absolute accountability from fire to finished coin. Each silver ingot begins its transformation with thorough inspection, ensuring only the finest metal proceeds. Bronze brushes reveal the silver's true surface, preparing it for purification. Water washing removes the journey's residue, revealing silver's characteristic luster beneath. Water washing removes the journey's residue, revealing silver's characteristic luster beneath.
Only flawless ingots earn passage to the next stage. Imperfect metal returns to the furnace.
Purity determines destiny. The finest silver moves forward. Lesser grades return to fire for refinement. Impure silver earns a second chance through fire, emerging refined and worthy of the mint standard.
Documented and secured, premium silver awaits its transformation. Each ingot tracked from storage to striking.
Even silver dust is precious. Every particle recovered, every tool maintained, nothing wasted in the mint's sacred process. With official approval granted, the certified silver enters fire's domain, where ancient alchemy begins anew. Experienced eyes and hands separate worthy blanks from flawed ones, each defect identified before further work is invested. Precision cutting creates perfectly circular blanks, each edge trimmed to exact diameter within a hair's breadth.
Weight determines value, each blank filed to exact standard, 17.2 grams, not a fraction more or less.
Annealing will soften work-hardened silver, preparing blanks to receive the striking die's forceful impression. Controlled heat softens the silver's crystalline structure, transforming rigid metal into receptive canvas for the die maker's art. Fire meets water in violent transformation, locking softness into silver while coating surfaces in oxide that must be removed. Ancient acids strip away fire's dark marks, revealing pure silver gleaming beneath, reborn and ready for final preparation. Hand polishing creates surfaces smooth as mirrors, preparing the perfect canvas for images that will endure centuries.
Triple verification ensures perfection, diameter, weight, and surface quality all matching imperial standards before any striking begins.
Certified and stored with precision, finished blanks await their appointment with the striking dies, where they will finally become tetradrachs. In the die workshop, artist craftsmen create the master images that will be multiplied thousands of times on tetradrachm surfaces. The die blank must achieve mirror perfection, for any flaw will be replicated on every coin it strikes. With mathematical precision, the approved design is transferred, every curve and line positioned exactly as imperial decree demands.
The goddess emerges in reverse, each stroke, each depth measured.
A goddess's face requires hundreds of precise cuts, each adding dimension, character, and the divine authority this coin will carry. The owl of Athena watches forward through time, its fierce gaze cut into bronze to guard every tetradram's reverse face.
Fire and oil transform soft bronze into steel-hard striking surface, capable of impressing thousands of coins without degradation.
Official approval transforms artisans' work into imperial instrument. These dies now authorized to create legal currency of Athens.
Mechanical advantage transforms human strength into tons of striking force. These presses the cutting edge of ancient mass production technology. The moment arrives, blank silver meets engraved bronze, and transformation begins with one powerful strike. In one violent moment of controlled force, blank silver becomes art, commerce, and power. The Tetradrachm is born. Perfect impression achieved, raised relief capturing every engraved detail. The first Tetradrachm of this run joins thousands of its predecessors. The striking hall roars to life, 5 presses beating in rhythm, each strike creating currency that will flow through empires.
Each coin's edge receives individual attention, filed to uniform perfection, ensuring proper stacking and professional appearance.
Burnishing awakens the silver's gleam, bringing goddess and owl to life with reflected light that catches every eye.
Random inspection maintains unwavering standards, every 10th coin examined, ensuring production quality never falters across thousands of strikes. Counted by hundreds, recorded by thousands, the Mint's ancient accounting system tracks every tetradrachm from strike to storage.
Dies wear with use, each strike stealing microscopic detail. Vigilant monitoring ensures no
Gentle cleaning reveals each coin's true beauty, removing process residue while preserving every precious detail of the strike. In the assay laboratory, science and skepticism unite. Here, coins face tests more demanding than any marketplace scrutiny.
Magnification reveals truths invisible to commerce, every microscopic flaw documented before coins enter the world's hands.
Dimension defines value. Measurements recorded to fractions, ensuring every tetradrachm maintains exact imperial standards across the realm. The touchstone never lies. Acid and stone reveal silver's truth, exposing any debasement hidden within gleaming surfaces. Fire consumes the impure, leaving only truth. Molten lead draws away debasement. Pure silver alone survives the cuple's test. Mathematics cannot lie. The assay bead's weight proves purity, certifying this batch worthy of the Empire's trust and commerce. Silver sings its authenticity, a clear ring no counterfeit can mimic. Sound waves revealing truth that eyes might miss.
Every test recorded, every sample preserved, the mint's quality legacy documented for generations, proof of uncompromising standards through time.
Behind guarded doors, the final count begins. Every tetradrachm accounted for before entering the vault's eternal darkness.
Counted by tens, verified by hundreds, ancient accounting achieves accuracy modern machines would envy through systematic human precision. Cedar and linen cradle silver's weight, 500 coins per box, each container marked and sealed for its journey. Imperial seal transforms contents into official currency. Clay and bronze authenticate, documentation certifies, guards protect the newly minted wealth. 3 locks, 4 guards, walls 3 feet thick. The vault protects not just silver, but the Empire's economic foundation. Guarded by steel and strategy, the Tetradrachms ride forth to distant legions, silver transforming into soldier loyalty and imperial power. Through merchant hands, Tetradrachms scatter across the Mediterranean, commerce distributing what the mint creates, silver flowing like water to every market.
And this is how modern factories produce Tetradrachms from start to finish, from mountain silver to Empire's currency.